Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I decided I would try out brow lamination and I would relax my eyebrows. So I have naturally curly eyebrows that I have to brush out every single day, and I just want them to be straight. I've saw a few videos on this and I love the results, so I'm going to give it a try today. If you're interested, keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. All right, let's hop right into it. Okay, so the first thing I did is I took some alcohol on a cotton swab and I made sure that I got any type of debris, dirt, or leftover makeup that I might have had in my eyebrows out. It needs to be completely clean for this treatment. So I'm going to start with the lifting cream, and it comes in these small packages. So all I have to do is open it up and take a small brush and apply it to my brows and apply in the direction that I want them to go. After applying that, I went ahead and put some plastic wrap on my eyebrows, and I left it on my brows for about 7 or 8 minutes. After the time is up, I will brush my eyebrows in the direction that I want and take a clean cotton swab and take off the lifting cream. Moving on to step 2, which is the neutralizing lotion. I will apply that with a clean brush as well to my brows in the same direction that I applied the step 1. And this treatment is just supposed to keep your eyebrows super straight. And this treatment is supposed to keep your eyebrows super straight. It's supposed to keep it in one direction, and it also supposed to make it look a lot thicker. And my natural brows are really curly, so I'm constantly having to brush them out every 5 minutes to keep them in place. So I thought this treatment would be great to try. So after step 2, you can move on to brow tinting, and you can obviously not do this step, but I decided to do this step because, as you can see, my eyebrows have like little gaps in it because I used to get them threaded, and my eyebrow lady just kept making them super thin, and I wanted to grow them out. So I still have gaps in my eyebrows, so the tinting will help a little bit with that. So tinting is super easy. Just put a little bit of Vaseline around your brows so you don't get the tint in your eye or anywhere near your eye area. And then you'll go ahead and mix the tint ingredients together and just apply it to your eyebrows where you would want it to have the shape. So if you guys want to see a full video on how I tint my eyebrows, I can do that for you. Just let me know down below in the comment section, but it's pretty easy and simple. I leave my brow tint on for about 4 to 5 minutes, and then I'll just take a Q-tip and wipe it off. And finally, I can move on to the last step. So the last step is the moisturizing serum, and you can just go ahead and put that on your eyebrows with a spoolie. And this is how my eyebrows turned out after the treatment. I'm really happy with the results. My eyebrows look like I filled them in how I usually fill them in with makeup. So I'm really happy with the results. They're supposed to last for 2 to 3 weeks. So yeah, if you guys are interested in any of the products that I use today, I'll put them all down below in the description box. And I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video, and hit the bell so notifications will come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at Miriam J. Hampton, and I will see you guys next time.